Hi everybody. I'm just kind of coming home right now. I've been there for some hours and I'm just bored and I'm kind of just waiting for my food. I know it's delicious. It's comes. I'm just kind of bored, so I eat my feelings away. Get done. I love you. No. But yesterday I told you about that. It was kind of snow outside and I'm freezing as fucking hell. Cause it's fucking snowing and I'm sitting in front of a fireplace and kind of want to show you that it's pretty cold in here. And that's just something I'm saying. So I'm gonna put myself together and then show you how Denmark look by the present. It's gonna be pretty fucking cold and I hate it right now because I don't want to go out there and I hate snow and I hate cold and I hate birds and then I hate a lot of things, but yeah, you know. Oh, my ass is burning. Fire, fire. You know, you can see it. Fire. No. So, yeah, I know that I just could open the window and it wouldn't be that funny. So I had to open it down here. I feel kind of a bit sick, so it's a good air. I'm not sure what you can see. It's pretty light outside, but it's gonna be snow, it's gonna be cold. I don't want to do. It's so cold. Let's have a look. It's hot. Denmark look right now. It's pretty much fucking sucks and it's pretty much fucking cold. So yeah, I hate it. And I feel like I'm the only one that my friend that hate it. So all my other friends, they love it and they say, oh, it's snowy, you should go outside, you should have fun, you should do something. No, you should not. You should just sit in front of on the couch, in front of the TV, and just look outside and think, I don't want to go outside today. I don't want to go to the gym. I don't want to go to school. I don't want to go to work. So, speaking of gym, I have to go to the gym tomorrow. So, yeah. If you're watching this and you think you like, then give a subject to me. Try to tell me what you like to do in the gym. Do you like to hang out? Do you like to do squats, do push-ups, do run, or do some special sport? Just take me in the photo. What I like to do in the gym is like to run up hills and do a lot of muscles, and then do boxing and also sometimes biking. So it's kind of all the things you have in the gym. The only thing you don't take is the heavy stuff. Not that. That's strong. I try to get fit and try to eat healthy and everything. So, yeah. See you tomorrow. Yeah. Hi. Have a nice day. And some thumbs up and everything for this video. Bye.